For young boys. Its fame and good results soon making it world famous and a model for other such organizations created. Now, this particular Oscar win for Tracy was historic because just the year before, he'd earned his first Oscar for Captain's Courageous. So 2 Oscars in consecutive years, no actor had ever done that before. However, actress Louise Reiner had. She'd earned back-to-back Oscars as Best Actress in 1936 and 1937, so she was actually the first to win Oscars for acting 2 years in a row. In the 74 years since Spencer Tracy did it, only one other performer has won back-to-back statuettes for acting, and that's Tom Hanks. So it's a very exclusive club. Now, it said Spencer Tracy was initially reluctant to play Father Flanagan, but when he met the priest in person, Tracy was so impressed with the very modest, devout crusader, man who was devoting his life to saving kids from a life on the streets, that Tracy changed his mind. Well, the role fit Tracy's screen persona like a glove, helped push him even higher in the ranks of Hollywood. So here's the film, co-starring a 17-year-old Mickey Rooney, 1938, directed by Norman Taurog, Boys Town.